Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ngut Kiba ek Suloi jong upulit homeguard na karkhana Dewilat juga Mccl na mamlu kidan jing Thmu bandi ek Suloi syakibrew ki bjumlen balik siat Mrad bat siat sim bat ke jing Thmu jong ki habakitu ek Suloi ke David bandi ban yok pisa ya kanel ya tu SP ke East Castle Hills wa bibek sim habi kran bakilat pathai khubor Ngut bagan thup usai berlang jarwa usawar shooting bat utailang sokhia kilatu ek Suloi .303 rifle bat ki buri ek Suloi hayeng jong mi e jong usai berlang kata ka Alpha Mary jarwa kayeng kebedan hamau ki sim Sohra USP la amba ki polit ke Sohra police station ki adu thia nam ta ka kes ka blajia ka khatwai trik yayong arjar pun reu bat kila tokit bat trashtom hadu bandalap yekini ki breu ki batu USP la amba ka daw bagi suk bantu ek Suloi kadai ru namar bala shubu madai mata ha ka jaga ka bomskan ka jing tokit yakani ka kes kadang ya chakmat
ka jing hujum ki kadai bande tu Suloi babun ki Nongsiat ki ba dan ki ba siat sim ne ki kata chit ko ki bande ki bri ba siat sim ne but bande ka ka Suloi.
What is this?
Yes, the weapon was, it appears it was not kept in a proper place which was secure. That's how these thieves could get in to the premises and steal the weapon. So Sohra police station had taken a lot of pains to actually trace out the accused, and finally yesterday they arrested 3 people. In fact, there has to be a proper armory where they should be keeping the weapons. There has to be a secured place to keep weapons. Their intention was to sell it actually, especially sell it to people who used to shoot animals or birds, or their purpose is actually to get money out of it. So anybody wanting to buy a weapon, especially those who want to go for hunting and all that, they could use it. But nevertheless, we will be questioning them further. We actually have done an inquiry on that, and we have not seen have not received the post-mortem yet. It does not appear at the moment to be a case of homicide, and it appears otherwise. We will come out with a clear picture and facts of the case once the post-mortem report is received and also other inquiries done. It points towards that direction, but we will ascertain that after we get the post-mortem report and also toxicological reports. Yes, that's it.